What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of #IRL, where we bring PicsArt to real life. So in today's episode, we're doing a design battle. So, meet our two superstar designers, Geoff Kim and Andrea Montoya.
Hold on one second. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Geoff.
Hello, I'm Andrea.
I'm a senior designer here at PicsArt.
I'm a motion graphics designer here at PicsArt.
Today, we're going to make a phone case design that I think is going to be really cool.
In this phone case battle, I wanted to do a design with collages.
I'm going to search for Renaissance art.
Stickers and letters around.
Specifically Renaissance angels, aka cherubs.
I know this aesthetic is very trendy.
I know Renaissance art is really in, especially for phone cases. So let's see how this goes, and we'll see you there.
It's time for the challenge, and here are the rules. Rule number 1, you have 1 minute to create the phone case. Rule number 2, you can only use in-app PicsArt Tools. So, let's begin. Timer starts now. Ding, ding, ding.
So I'm gonna create a blank canvas. I'm gonna add an effect, which is called noise. Also want to add like some lights to it, so I'm gonna go to mask. I really like this set of lights that they have here in the app. I love this one. Something else that I really like to add texture to this is brushes. Fun part for me is adding stickers. So I'm gonna first look for like these stickers that are like newspaper aesthetic, and I'm gonna search for paper here or rip. I'm gonna go and add some quotes. I'm gonna add some other stickers. Literally just search whatever you have in mind and it's gonna be there. Stars. Photograph. Yes, so I think this is good. I really like it.
We'll choose this cloud wallpaper, rotate it, resize it. I want something Renaissance-y. You know, I mentioned the cherubs, the angels. I think I want to get a couple angels. I saw some up there, but I want to get something that's like iconic. I like the doves kind of reflecting the duality of the angels. I like that. Ooh, look at that. That's great. Okay, I'm going to use that. So I think from here, I want to tie it all together. So I'm going to go to effects. So this is the vintage effect, vintage one effect, but I'm going to kind of give it a little bit of a tint. I want to use a brush. I'm just going to add one more effect on top just to kind of tie it all together. So my favorites are some of the 90s effects, but I'm just going to give it a little bit of a bump right there. And then I think the last thing this needs is a mask. Let's try party. I'm going to flip this around, and it's a little bright, so you can turn down the opacity here. I think that's what I like. I can see that on my phone.
The cases are ready, and it's time to vote. Who will you vote for? Andrea's dreamy pink phone case or Geoff's Renaissance blue aesthetic?
All right, guys, vote for me if you like the design, and we'll see how this goes.
Voten por mí, amigos, por favor.
Okay, guys, that's it for today's episode. Thank you for watching, and I think it was a good design battle.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I know I'm going to win. It's not even an issue. So
Oh my God, in your dreams.
pretty.
Okay, to vote for your favorite designer, we're gonna post both designs as a poll on IG story, and yeah, go vote, you guys, or comment in the description below which designer was your favorite. Yep. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Bye. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this battle, and make sure to watch our latest video where I shaved off my friend's eyebrows. What? Also, subscribe to our channel and give this video big thumbs up. Bye!